What's up, YouTube? I'm here with yet another video. So today I will be working on my 2017. Excuse me. I'll be working on my 2017 Camaro SS1LE. I'll be doing headers on it today. So, boom, got them 2-inch headers right here in the box. So, what I'm gonna start off with is removing these the plug wires, the heat shield. And then, since my car already had 3-inch piping under, then I'm gonna disconnect them here, and then it goes back to my 3-inch X pipe, and then on forth. So I'm just disconnect them here, then go from there. They'll probably come out to here, and I just get them welded tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff unplugged, and I'm gonna get y'all from there. And then I am doing spark plugs and wires while I'm doing this also. So let's get it. Driver side off. Driver side header right here. The little puny thing. That thing's so little. And boom. I did have a secondary cat delete, so I'm a straight pipe right there. Got the cats right there. You see them jewels in there? Yeah, I know you do. I already got the old spark plugs taken out. So this is what we're looking like down here now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the O2 extensions put on there. Go ahead and get the O2 extensions put on there, and then once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get those new headers put in on the driver's side, and then I'm gonna move over to the passenger side. The passenger side always takes the longest. Gotta take the valve cover off. So shoot. Let's get to it. I already had them all done. In reality, it took me about an hour, but since I don't have my tools organized, I'm not in my house right now. And y'all will see more about that later on. In later on when I post more videos, you'll see why I'm not in my house, what's going on. So yeah, I'm having to travel to work on my car. So yeah, I got both side headers off. On this other side, I'm about to take the spark plugs out right quick. On this side, you do have to take the coolant reservoir off, which is right there. I do have another video on my YouTube, so if you want to see a more in-depth video, it's not really an in-depth, but it's more information than this one. But I'm about to take the starter off now. That little heat shield that's over the starter, take that off. Take the starter out. Let me unplug the battery before I forget also. And then I'm gonna go from there, get the headers in. I'm gonna go ahead and take this valve cover off right here. The valve cover and everything that's on the valve cover. Take everything off so I can get that header slid down. This side should be easy sliding in there. The other side is a little trickier. So I'm gonna let y'all know what I do after that. But mainly the reason I'm shooting another video of a header install, it's really because I'm gonna show you the difference, the before and after videos of having headers. So I'm gonna do a before video, such as like cold starts, flybys, revving, stuff like that. And then with headers, I'm gonna do everything that I did before plus some. What's up, YouTube? So I know it's the next day. I didn't really film a lot when I was installing the headers, but they've been installed. 2-inch speed engineer headers, red plugs and wires. So passenger side, you go in from the top, you take the valve cover off, you take the starter out, you remove all this, and then the coolant reservoir, I need to go get some coolant because I'll drop some. And then on the passenger side, you just pull them in you fish them in from the bottom. Just pull the steering rack out, but it's pretty simple. I ran into a lot of bad spots, but I'm finna let y'all hear what it sounds like now. It's pretty loud. It's just dumped out of the headers right now. I'm finna go to the exhaust shop and get them welded together. Man, y'all a little behind the scenes, you feel me? The header's sitting low and the 3-inch pipe is sitting low. Sheesh.
Is there a bathroom? No upstairs thing? Maybe COVID-19.
One I leave them up, like, still got my stock MPP exhaust. I got 3-inch off-road X pipe, 3-inch piping coming down from 2-inch header. So it's gonna sound pretty good. Then he about to tack it in now. So I just had this all finished. So I'm gonna let you hear different modes also.